You're amazing. Oh my God, take all my money.
You're a dancer? I feel like you guys are here a lot? Okay. Okay, I've seen you guys before. I think you're really cool.
What type of lens is it? The stock lens, 24 to 105, the one that comes with. Jesus Christ, I'm just creaming in my pants when I see that fucking lens. My Canon's a piece of shit.
Which one do you have?
T3.
T3? I was gonna guess
That's
that.
the same one that I had.
What you got? The kit lens on it? 1855?
They gave me 2 lenses.
Yeah.
I just use my iPhone. That's nice enough. Fuck it. Fuck life.
That's all you need.
Because
it's the one you
the
have on
first
here.
one that I got, I think it was like 12.
There's a lot of weirdos out there.
Oh, have you seen this one?
Huh?
I'm not really worried. They're just ones. You feel me? Like, who wants to steal a bunch of ones? Really? What? Here, check this out. See, watch. You can't do much with $5, right? Right? Watch. If I snap, I can make them look like 20s. Check them out. Check them out. Are they real? Hold them up. Yeah. What can you buy for $1?
A coffee maybe in McDonald's?
Make cheap coffee, you mean?
Yeah.
Here, watch. So this is what I do. I can make it look like 20s. So I have $100. Now this is real, right? It's real, right? You don't believe me before? Yeah, you're just like they're just ones, right? Watch. You can actually, they're actually in disguise. They look like ones, but they're 20s though.
Demon!
I would ask you to check it out, but we just went over the whole stealing thing. But it doesn't matter. If you try to steal them, they'd go back.
It's like, I know I didn't smoke this morning, but these tricks making me seem like I just hit a pound of good at it.
She just turned that shit to 20s.
No, watch.
Turn one to
From
20.
1 to 20s.
Ones to 20s?
From ones
Watch,
to
no.
20.
But
From
see,
ones
watch.
to 20s.
It's an illusion, right? It's an illusion. No. Because like even though they look like 20s, they were ones the whole time. They were ones the whole time.
All it is. All you need is love.
Check them out. They're real, right? Smell it. Smell real, right? Dude, you're amazing.
You're amazing. Oh my God, take all my money.
Nah, I'm good. And I'll triple it, double it.
Man, let's work together. Let's work together.
Let's do something.
This is my new best friend right here.
You get money and a fed.
I like it. Yeah.
So you have Instagram?
Yeah, I do. It's just my name. Thanks all so much for watching. Come back again tomorrow for more daily street magic videos. If you want to check out my videos, youtube.com/itsAnnaD and all my social medias @AnnaDeGuzman. I'll see you guys there. Peace.